Hey guys, welcome to another video here on my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Lakia and welcome to the Chaotic Critic family. For my returning subscribers, welcome back. Here on my channel, I share planning and organizational videos, plus so much more over on my blog, chaoticcritic.com. The link is always in the description box. The whole premise of my channel is to share with you guys how I'm crushing the chaos in my life, with hopes that you'll be inspired and encouraged to crush the chaos in yours. Today's video is going to be a Goldmine and Coco sub box unboxing, which I'm really excited about. If you guys are unfamiliar with Goldmine and Coco, it is a black-owned brand by Felicia Jarrell. I'll have all the information in the description box for you guys to get on the sub box, but also all the other dolls that they have as well, plus so much more. So check the description box for that, but let's go ahead and get into this unboxing. So with this box, this is my second Goldmine and Coco sub box, and I love everything that's inside of it. I've already looked at it, and not only do I love everything, there's nothing that I want to de-stash out of here because I'm going to actually use it. The thing about sub boxes, which I've talked about in a previous video, is that you don't know what you're getting in the sub box. You may know the theme. I believe the theme for this one was reset, and then the one that I got before, the first one, was self-care. So you may know the theme. They may give you the aesthetic of it, but you don't know the exact items that are going to be inside of it until it gets closer to the date of when you would be receiving it. So these curated items in this box, Felicia outdid herself with this one, because the price of the box for what is inside of here, she spoiled us. So let's go ahead and get right into all of the things. Y'all, there's stickers inside of here. There's a planner inside of here. There's so much, so many goodies. So I'm gonna go ahead and start off with this scarf. Y'all, this is huge. I can't even open it up on my desk. This scarf is ginormous, and I'll have to find a place to put it so that I can actually lay this thing out, but it is so beautiful. And I believe this is from the Felicia Jarrell brand. I'll have her link to her specific brand in the description box. So Goldmine and Coco was founded by Felicia, and then Felicia created her own brand as well. So this has Felicia Jarrell on it, so I'm sure that's from her brand. And then in the other sub box, she had sent I believe it was incense and then a candle. So that's the first thing, that scarf. And it's great that she's incorporating her brand into her #1 brand, which is Goldmine and Coco. Then there's this washi tape here, y'all. This washi tape, okay, it is so beautiful. I'm not even a huge washi tape fan, but I will be getting use out of this one. Out of the two, this one is definitely my favorite. Then there's also this weekly planner pad, and I was thinking of how I could use this, but with me on this road to self-discipline and everything, this is good for trackers. So you have task Monday through Sunday here, the weekend is split, and then daily routine, there is a little hourly here. Yeah, 8 to 5, basically 9 to 5. So this is going to be good for tasks that I want to repeat, and this paper pad, not tasks that tasks that I want to repeat, but of course keep up with. You guys know what I'm saying. So there's a lot of pages here with that, but when I start using this, I will share an update with you guys. And then it also came with this daily planner. I will be doing a full review of this planner and talking more about Goldmine and Coco digital and printed inserts in a video, so stay tuned for that. But just to give you guys a little peek, here's the month on 2 pages, and then here's the daily layout, which has today's goal, personal, important, notes, to do, remember, deadlines, and tomorrow. And then at the end of the month, you have notes pages, and then a look ahead, which has goals, bills, important, some dot grid space here, and then here's one of the dividers, which says always go with the choice that is going to scare you the most, because that is the one that is going to help you grow. So again, I'll be doing a full review of this. But look at this cover, and I love the coil. I'm also not one that goes for daily planners, but this is undated, so I'd be able to use this whenever. Even though it does have the monthly here, this is going to be a good one. And then on the cover, it does have this whiteboard spaces, but y'all, stay tuned for the review on that. Then there are these stickers here. I believe these are washi like stickers. So these are squares, hexagons, and circles. And this is the color aesthetic that Goldmine and Coco is. So I really love these, and I love that they're not tiny, because even if I were to have on my faux nails with this one, if I were to get my tips, this would be perfect for me to still be able to use them and not the teeny tiny ones. This is a great size. And these I would use in my functional planner as well, which is my 6-ring planner, but this gonna be going in the memory planner too. So excited for that. And then last but not least is this sticker bundle, which is 10 pages, y'all. Let's get into it. Okay, I'm so excited for these stickers. I'm always looking for more stickers to put into my memory planner, which I do memory planning spreads on here. I know it's not all y'all's cup of tea, but it is what I like to share from time to time. But let's get into these. So we have the full boxes here with the dolls on 4 of them. Remember this, dear, if you play small, you stay small. That part. So I love that. And then there's these clear stickers, the out for delivery, some arrows, some notepads, these clear dolls here. Then inbox list, personal home, daily, weekly shopping, meals, meal plan, cleaning, fitness, and finances. And this would be great for tabs in a planner. Then we have like this week on one page here. Reset, readjust, refocus, realign as many times as you need to. This girl right here, I love a dress with a slit. I really love that. Look at her outfit. This is cute. So with this page, you do get some washi like strips here. They're all paper stickers, but this is like the washi strips. Some quarter boxes, a doll, headers, 2 full boxes, some icons. And then this little one down here, which is just the doll again. And then on this one, just more quarter boxes. So each is a little different. Then we have all full boxes here. Reminder, expect nothing, appreciate everything. And these, the ones with the prints, I like to layer the other boxes on top. Then we have the dolls in the light brown. I believe there was another page. Am I bugging? I guess I am. I thought there was another page of these. Alright, so of the dolls, we have the light brown and the dark brown. And then we have this mix here. And then we have these important workouts. So more half boxes. And then, oh, did I say those were quarter boxes before? Did I say these were quarter boxes? Yeah, these are quarter boxes. These are they considered half boxes? Nah, these are more quarter boxes too. But this sheet right here, I love, because I love this sticker, how it's already layered for you. These checklists I don't really use, but I would use these as just decoration on the page. More headers. Here's 2 more dolls, and then important, appointment, due date, meeting, and reminder. So I'm gonna get my use out of these stickers, but I mean, for the value of what this box was with what she put in here, like, she did the damn thing with this one. So the 10 sheet sticker bundle, the 3 sheets of the washi stickers, the full daily planner, and then this list pad here, and then the scarf on top of that. Like, this box is absolutely amazing. And if you are not signed up for the box and you're trying to get in where you fit in and still get it, I have the information below that maybe you could join in on the next one. And if you guys are interested in purchasing from Goldmine and Coco in general, I will have the website below. There's a lot of great things on that site, and This sub box was everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Let me know down in the description box if you've purchased from Goldmine and Coco before. What was your favorite item that I shared from this sub box? And of course, be sure to check out all the links in the description box, which will have related videos, links to items featured, and of course the blog and Instagram. The blog is chaoticcritic.com. My Instagram is @chaoticcritic. If you're not subscribed to the Chaotic Critic fam, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And for all of you that are, I thank you. I love you guys. Stay safe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.